What's up, family? It's your boy Julius with Xclusive out of South Florida. I want to introduce my brand new YouTube channel, Xclusive MotorZ. If you like cars, bikes, trucks, jet skis, basically anything with a motor in it, I'm going to be bringing my personal projects, my personal builds, reviews, and repairs to this channel. Now, I am not a mechanic by any means, so everything that I do on this channel will be learning experiences for me. It gives you an opportunity to see things that you can do better and things that you should avoid, and basically just learn from my mistakes. So if you want to see real world projects and custom builds done by a regular person on some regular time with a regular job and a regular budget, this is going to be the channel for you. I'm not going to be bringing my projects to a shop somewhere, spending an extravagant amount of money. I might be working on my vehicles anywhere from my boy's garage to the parking space in my complex. So please like, subscribe, and get notified on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr.
Bruh.
I did say I'm out of South Florida, so I just wanted to make sure that wasn't a gator that just hopped out the water. But anyway, I've got Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, all at Xclusive Motor. So yeah, like, subscribe, and get notified. And stay tuned, because next week I'm going to be bringing Xclusive MotorZ first project. All right? I look forward to seeing you, and have a good one.